Welcome back, my friends. Today we hear the news that Microsoft stock hit a record after executives predicted $10 billion in annual revenue from artificial intelligence. The company could pick up $10 billion or more in annual artificial intelligence revenue from developers using its Azure Cloud or OpenAI's models, an executive said this week. Microsoft shares rallied to an all-time high after the company announced pricing for its new AI subscription service. Microsoft's Copilot subscription service adds AI to the company's popular Office products such as Word, Excel and Teams. It will cost an additional $30 per month and could increase monthly prices for enterprise customers as much as 83%, bringing in additional revenue through recurring subscriptions. JP Morgan analysts raised their price target on Microsoft stock. What does it mean for big tech companies? What does it mean for the economy? And what does it mean for the future of the United States? But, before we get into all of that, please press the like button and leave us a comment below. We would love to hear from you. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you are notified of upcoming videos when they are released. And, before we continue, a word from the sponsor of this video. Today's sponsor is InnerLife.com, creator of the InnerLife STS system. InnerLife STS is a cloud mobile platform for mental health care and its integration with primary medical care. InnerLife STS is designed for assessment, data collection and analytics, documentation, and progress tracking. InnerLife STS creates and composes conceptualized narratives and builds them into professional-grade reports. These reports are designed for use by mental health professionals, primary care physicians, justice system professionals and universities and include mental health assessment reports, mental health treatment reports, and treatment progress reports. And InnerLife STS uses doctor-selected pseudonames for all patients. So, only the healthcare professional knows the patient identity. Microsoft shares closed at a record Tuesday after the company announced pricing for its new Microsoft 365 artificial intelligence subscription service. The stock jumped 4%, closing at $359.49. It's now up about 50% for the year. The prior record came on June 15, when the stock closed at $348.10. Microsoft's Copilot subscription service adds AI to the company's popular Office products such as Word, Excel and Teams. It will cost an additional $30 per month and could increase monthly prices for enterprise customers as much as 83%, bringing in additional revenue through recurring subscriptions. The announcement shows how Microsoft is continuing to build on its suite of Office software, making it more attractive for businesses that are seeking to add AI into their workflows. Microsoft has been pouring money into generative AI, largely through a multi-billion-dollar investment in OpenAI, the creator of ChatGPT. Microsoft Copilot, first announced in March, can design presentations, offer writing prompts, summarize meetings and rank incoming emails. It's already being tested by 600 customers such as Goodyear and General Motors, although Microsoft hasn't said when it will be available to the wider public. Microsoft and other software companies that recently launched artificial intelligence features now face the hard part: getting customers to pay for the features, which are costly to operate. More than 600 of Microsoft's largest customers, including Bank of America, Walmart, Ford and Accenture, are expected to test the AI features in its Microsoft Office 365 productivity apps. And at least 100 customers are already paying a flat fee of $100,000 for up to 1,000 users for 1 year, according to a person with direct knowledge of the pilot program. That means the customers with 1,000-seat subscriptions are paying at least 40% more versus the classic version for productivity software that automates tasks such as writing text in Word documents and creating. At the Microsoft Inspire Partner event today, the Windows maker announced pricing for its AI-infused Copilot for Microsoft 365. The suite of contextual artificial intelligence tools, the fruit of the company's OpenAI partnership, will cost $30 per user for business accounts. In addition, the company is launching Bing Chat Enterprise, a privacy-focused version of the AI chatbot with greater security and peace of mind for handling sensitive business data. Revealed in March, Microsoft 365 Copilot is the company's vision of the future of work. The GPT-4-powered suite of tools lets you generate Office content using natural language text prompts. For example, you can ask PowerPoint to create a presentation based on a Word document, generate a proposal from spreadsheet data or summarize emails and draft responses in Outlook, all by typing simple commands. However, announcing its pricing could mean that date is fast approaching. The $30 per month pricing will apply to Microsoft 365 E3, E5, Business Standard and Business Premium customers. The company still hasn't announced Copilot consumer pricing or availability. Meanwhile, Bing Chat Enterprise is Microsoft's more security-minded variant of the popular AI chatbot that launched for consumers in February. Since launching the new Bing in February, we've heard from many corporate customers who are excited to empower their organizations with powerful new AI tools but are concerned that their company's data will not be protected, Shaw wrote. That's why today we're announcing Bing Chat Enterprise, which gives organizations AI-powered chat for work with commercial data protection. What goes in and comes out remains protected, giving commercial customers managed access to better answers, greater efficiency and new ways to be creative. Bing Chat Enterprise begins rolling out today in a preview, at no additional cost, for Microsoft 365 E5, E3, Business Premium and Business Standard customers. In addition, the company says it will make the enterprise-focused chatbot available as a standalone $5 subscription in the future. Microsoft's early mover advantage in AI has helped it surge past Google and possibly challenge Apple as the world's most valuable tech company. Its early mover advantage into AI technology looks to challenge Apple's place as the world's most valuable company. The group has touted the potential of ChatGPT, a tool that uses human language to process instructions and which is being embedded in the tech group's also-ran search engine Bing, to close the gap on market leader Google, the eponymous lead product of parent company. Investors are betting that AI adoption will help Microsoft, which generated just $3.2 billion in search revenue last year, challenge the market dominance of Google, which churned around $43 billion. D.A. Davidson analyst Gil Luria has estimated that Bing, which has a small 3% market share of global search, will generate an extra $2 billion in revenue for every point of share it takes from Google, which has an estimated 91%. Microsoft is also looking to embed OpenAI's technology into its other business units, such as More Personal Computing, which hosts its Windows product, and Productivity and Business Processes, where it places its Office 365 platform, through its use of so-called copilots. CFO Amy Hood, in fact, said in a recent presentation that generative AI will be the fastest-growing $10 billion business in our history. Others suggest it could be Windows 95 inches moment in which Microsoft establishes leadership in the most transformational technology we have seen since the Internet started to take shape, according to Wedbush analyst Dan Ives. While this newly released artificial intelligence reflects not only a significant leap in technological capabilities, it also reflects an immense monetization opportunity amongst the many industries as we see human-like artificial intelligence in its early stages, Ives said. We believe that Microsoft is in a unique position to gain share in the cloud market that could expand Redmond's total addressable market around cloud by 35% over the coming years, Ives continued. The group is also powering ahead with profits from its established business lines, including its intelligent cloud unit, even amid slowing revenue growth in its flagship Azure product. Microsoft said in late April that Azure sales rose 27% from last year over the 3 months ending in March, missing street forecasts and slowing from earlier gains in the mid to high 40% range as companies continue to pull back on digital infrastructure spending. Overall group revenues, however, rose 7.2% to $52.9 billion for Microsoft's fiscal second quarter, coming in well ahead of analysts' estimates of a $49.36 billion tally. Intelligent cloud revenues were pegged at $22.08 billion, against ahead of the street's $21.26 billion forecast and up 22% from the same period last year. Still, AI looks like the most exciting driver of mid- and longer-term growth, with Copilot adoption in Office 365 and Windows, alongside market share gains for Bing, potentially generating annual revenues of $100 billion by 2027. CFRA analyst Angelo Zeno, who recently lifted his price target on Microsoft to by $40 to $370 per share, also sees further upside to estimates as new AI capabilities emerge across Microsoft's ecosystem of products. And Microsoft is not the only company rocketing to success on artificial intelligence. A blockbuster profit report from NVIDIA crystallized an important point for both markets and the economy. For better or worse, artificial intelligence is the future. Whether it's personalized shopping, self-driving cars or a broad array of robotics uses for healthcare, gaming and finance, AI will become a factor in virtually everyone's lives. NVIDIA's massive fiscal first quarter earnings helped quantify the phenomenon as the firm nears an elite cast of tech leaders with $1 trillion market valuations and clear leadership status both on Wall Street and in Silicon Valley. For NVIDIA, the upside already has been apparent. Initially, NVIDIA focused on developing GPUs for gaming and consumer graphics applications. Their GPUs were highly regarded for their performance and became popular among gamers and computer enthusiasts. Over time, NVIDIA expanded its product line to include GPUs for professional visualization, data center, and artificial intelligence (AI) applications. But, what do you think? Please leave us a comment below and hit the like button. We would love to hear from you. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you are notified of upcoming videos when they are released. Please share this video on social media. Thank you for watching.